Hi everyone, this is Digant Chadha from shoutmeloud.com. I'm a qualified chartered accountant and a lawyer by profession. I have formerly served as the faculty member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India and I've coached more than 4,000 students. Currently, I'm working as a manager in a multinational organization and I'm here to share some interesting financial facts with you. Hi everyone, welcome to shoutmeloud.com. In this video, we will discuss how can you fill up your tax information, that is Form W8-BEN, on your Amazon KDP account. So let us start. Once you log into your Amazon KDP account, you would land on the bookshelf. Just click on your account, then click on tax information. In my case, my tax information has already been updated on this account. You just click on provide tax information and click on take interview. So Amazon would ask some questions on the basis of which it would fill up your form W8-BEN automatically. So question 1, what is your tax classification? In my case, I'm an individual. In case you are a business firm, in case you are a partnership firm or a company, you have to select business. Then the type of form would be Form W8-BEN E. For US tax purposes, are you a US person? I'm not a US person. So I'm neither a US resident nor US citizen, so I have to select no. Are you acting as an intermediary agent or other person receiving payment on behalf of another person or as a flow-through entity? So I'm not an agent, therefore I would select no. Then it asks for my tax identification information. First, I would enter my name, my country of citizenship. In my case, I'm from India, so I have Indian citizenship. Then my permanent address would be mentioned. My mailing address and permanent address are same. Then it asks you for tax identification number. So if you have a US TIN number, you have to add it here. In case not, which is my case, I have a non-US TIN. So non-US tax identification number. I have Indian TIN number, which is also known as permanent account number. So I would simply add my PAN number here and click on continue. Then it asks for the treaty benefit information, claim of tax treaty benefits. So it says you may be eligible to receive a reduction in the 30% US tax withholding rate by providing the information below. So generally, if I don't provide these information, then a 30% withholding tax rate is applicable on my payment. But if I provide Form W8-BEN and I am an Indian citizen, then I am eligible for a lower withholding tax rate. So here, country of tax residence is India. I would click on confirm. Then it asks you for the consent and signature. Save and preview. So here is the filled up Form W8-BEN. We will just review it and submit it. Part 1, identification of beneficial owner, my name, country of citizenship, my permanent address and my PAN number. Then it says claim of tax treaty benefits. 9th point says I certify that the beneficial owner is a resident of India within the meaning of the income tax treaty between US and that country. Because I had confirmed that I am resident of India, it has filled up point 9 automatically. Because of me being a resident of India, I'm eligible for treaty benefits mentioned in point 10. Special rates and conditions. The beneficial owner is claiming the provisions of Article 12.2 of the treaty identified on line 9 above to claim a 15% rate of withholding on royalty. So whatever Amazon KDP pays me is a royalty income, and because I have filled up Form W8, I'm eligible for a lower withholding rate of 15%. Right? Now I would just click on submit and it says your tax information has been received and successfully validated. Applicable withholding rate is 15%. Then I would just simply click on exit interview. So it's done. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.